Here's how to create an address book entry in Sellercloud. Go to Settings. Click on Company. Choose Company Name. And press Toolbox. Here you will find the feature that will allow you to create an entry in your address book. The addresses entered here can be retrieved as the ship to address on a purchase order. To make a given address your default PO address, click on the Default for PO Ship to box on the address entry page. Be mindful that a warehouse set on the vendor profile will override the default address for PO.